Hey, sixth graders, Mr. Brandon here. Happy Friday and happy last half day of school or day before the big change. And I know today's the last day, and I just thought of this yesterday when I went into class, and a lot of kids, when this video is on, are still just not paying any attention. And I think you'll do better if you pay attention. So go ahead, if you're listening to this video and you're at school, will you go ahead and close your computer, just because it's always good to be kind, and it's always good to set an example for your classmates instead of a negative example. So I want to start here by saying, hey, great job on the test yesterday. Here's our scores. The median, the middle score was 21. Our average was a little less than 20. You can say the big clump outlier down here, somebody who hadn't done any homework, and pretty big range. But if we throw out this outlier, do you count these as outliers? I don't. So I'm pretty happy with, and a lot of these people, they hadn't been doing homework either, but they just, by watching the videos and watching other people, they started picking stuff up. So I think that's pretty good. So congratulations and thank you for your effort. I really appreciate it. Before we get to today, I want to talk about this problem from the test, question 20 that I made into a multiple guess question. Two vertices of a triangle are point F, 1 and -4, and G, 6 and -4. List two possible coordinates of the third vertex so that the triangle has an area of 20 square units. I think that is really the most worthwhile question on this test. I know it's a little tricky because we haven't been doing problems just like this. And so I gave you the answer in a multiple guess format. But I do want to talk about this because next week I'm going to be asking you to make a project or make a problem, and this is a good start. So think about this, and we're going to refer to this problem next week. So just one second. All right. So for problem number 20. And think about this. Next week, we're going to be working on escape rooms. And you could use a Cartesian grid like that. That's the fancy name for coordinate plane. And if you wanted to do some mathematical parts with the X and the Y, it could be a really fun problem for that you could make for other kids to solve. It's kind of... So let's get to this one. It says open-ended on the problem, and that's because there are an infinite number of answers. That means there's no end to the answers. And then let me show you why. So we know that when we're figuring out the area of a triangle, it's 1/2 of the base times the height, right? 1/2 base times height. So in this case, we know the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because 6 minus 1, the difference between 6 and 1 is 5. So I'm just going to write a little 5 there. And so that means if I wanted 20, well, here's 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be 10. 5 times 4 is 10. So that means it has to come all the way up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that make sense? It does, because 8 times 5, if this is 8, the height is 8 times 5 is 40. Half of 40 is 20. So this is the answer from the story. But also notice this could be an answer too. Oh, and so could this, and so could this. The height is still going to be, if I have this triangle, it would still be, the base would still be 5, and the height would still be 8. How about this guy? How about this guy? Oh, wait a second. What about this guy and this guy and this guy and this guy? It's going to be, oh, well, actually, that's going to change my triangle, but I could do this guy down here. So also, I could do these ones that are, instead of 4, I could go all the way down here, 8. So there's an infinite number of answers that I could make for this, and it probably winds up making some kind of a circle around here, except for not exactly even, but lots of different things I could do. So I offered a prize for this one. That's why I want to take so long. So let's take a look at the prize. Hey, and we're back. Thank you. Welcome to who wins the glasses for getting the right answer for chapter 20. So I'm going to spin the wheel. My name is Mr. Brandon. I'm going to spin the wheel, the side wheel. And if your name comes up, that person didn't win. Everybody look at the wheel. Okay. So, and this is our studio audience here. Wave studio audience. How you doing? Nice to see you. All right, let's get spinning the wheel. And whoever wins gets the glasses. Do you hope you win? I hope you win. Let's go for the first person. It's not Jack. Oh, sorry, Jack. Our next person, I'm just going to keep rolling because this is going to get old really fast. All right, here we go. Keep working. Kai. Oh, sorry, Kai. You know what? You guys, you studio artists is being great. They're shouting out the names, except for all muted. Except for Jack. So your all mouths are just going like this. Which is sort of funny. I'm sorry, that is funny. All right, the next person not to win, sorry, if it is Miles Johnson. Sorry. Oh, nice. Nice job. Sorry, Miles. And the next person not to win, it is Landon. Yeah, sorry. Next person not to the names are going away, right? Rosalind Marley. Oh, sorry, Rosie. Did you think you're gonna win? I sort of thought Rosie was gonna win. All right. Next person not to win is Drake. Sorry, Drake. Next person is. Are you getting nervous? Even if you're on the wheel, I'm getting a little nervous. I don't know why. I know I'm not gonna win the glasses, even though I know how to do number 20. Sorry, Brienne Huntingford. Okay. So I can see Elo and Zach, and I can't see who's on the other side. Do you see who's on the other side on the white parts? I can't see. Let's spin it.
I think it's Ethan.
You think it's Ethan? Down to 4 people. Okay.
Yeah, Ethan.
Are you ready? Let's go. Here goes. Sorry to Zach. Oh. So it is Ethan. Now who's on the yellow? I didn't see. Oh, it's Jackson. 1 in 3 chance. We got Evelyn, we got Ethan, we got Jackson. Now I'm nervous. My stomach's like in a little bit of knots, and I'm gonna give one of these like extra spins. I'm not looking. You can tell I can't know where it's gonna spin. It's gonna wind up on the Elo. Sorry, Evie. Uh-oh, it's 2. It's just 2 left. It's Jackson and Ethan. Sadness sweeps over my soul. I'm sorry. I don't know if you'll be able to buy these later, or maybe you can approach the person who wins them with an offer they can't refuse or something like that. I don't know. Here it goes. All right. I'm not looking. Is it spinning? It's not spinning. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong person. Okay. Okay, here it goes. The winner is not, remember, there's only going to be one name on the wheel. The winner is not Jackson. Oh, sorry, Jackson. You thought you were going to win. I thought you were going to win after that. That means that the winner is somebody who turned in. He worked till late last night. He turned it in like after everybody else was in bed. Is this person right here. He's got a pretty good chance of winning, I think, because he's the only one on the wheel. Congratulations on your new sunglasses.
Imagine he loses.
Yeah. Ethan. Oh, we got to do it again. Everybody's name is back. We got to do it all over again. So Ethan is the winner. Thank you for playing. Spin the wheel. I'm going to sign off. This is not, you guys don't leave. So have a good day, and please do today's assignment. There's only 12 problems, and I'll see you at your meeting.